gangster Jaggu Bhagwanpuria's mother, who's been shot dead. Rival group that has claimed responsibility to this murder. 2 people were shot dead in Batala by unidentified attackers. The Davinder Bambiha group that has claimed responsibility for killing Jaggu's mother. CCTV footage is now being reviewed and a case has been registered to this effect. Harjeet Kaur, the mother of notorious gangster Jaggu Bhagwanpuria and a former village sarpanch, succumbed to bullet injuries after she was targeted in that firing incident that happened late on Thursday night in Batala. The Davinder Bambiha group has reportedly claimed responsibility for this attack, pointing towards a likely act of revenge in the backdrop of escalating gang rivalries. And as a target was gangster Jaggu Bhagwanpuria's mother. We've also put out that footage on your screens, caught on CCTV cameras, of how his mother was targeted. She was shot down by miscreants. But soon, a rival group that claimed responsibility for this murder. 2 people on that bike, there you see how they pointed the gun and literally at an arm's distance shot down Jaggu's mother. This happened in Batala by these miscreants who have not been identified yet. Let's get more details from Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us on the broadcast. Kamaljeet, take us through every detail. Jaggu's mother succumbed to her injuries, but what more are you picking up with regards to the investigation? Because we understand that these 2 miscreants have not been identified yet, the attackers I meant, and any word coming in from either groups?
Well, let me tell you, this is a series of gang war and at least a beginning of it, and we've seen at least hundreds of them operating from Punjab itself. Now, Jaggu Bhagwanpuria, who's been accused of 100+ crimes, himself is cooling his heels way back in Silchar in Assam jail. He was moved from Bhatinda for security reasons. But clearly, this is a sort of escalation because remember, Goldie Brar, Lawrence Bishnoi, they not only broke up with him, but there are other gangs which have now come in, and this is very clear and ominous sign as far as Punjab is concerned, that this gang war, and this is where the families are being targeted, and this is what we can tell you now is what you can see even in the CCTV footage is the sort of conspiracy, the sort of planning which has gone in, and this is where Punjab police is now investigating the case. Remember, the 2 who was including Karan Veer as well as Harjeet Kaur, they were brought in, and this is where what we can tell you is that the Davinder Bambiha gang is said to be behind this. Now, Davinder himself was killed way back in 2016, but his gang is very much active in Punjab. So this is where a family has been targeted, and it does look like that there could be some sort of a retaliation. Now, one of the reasons is that remember when Sidhu Moosewala was killed, this is where Lawrence Bishnoi and Goldie Brar was blamed, and so was this particular gang itself, Jaggu Bhagwanpuria. And this is where they believe that the police was informed, leading to 2 gunmen being killed in a police encounter. So they believe that there has been a snitch and there seems to be a retaliation coming in. What has been the latest trigger now needs to be seen. But remember, active gang war seems to be a keen issue, especially in Punjab, where law and order is an issue where opposition has been pointing out. We've seen series of grenade attack taking place. These particular gangsters are not only active right here in India, they have connections in Pakistan, in Afghanistan, even from the Western world. And this is where there is also an active gang rivalry. And this seems to be the case even here, where the targeting has been done, especially as far as Karan Veer is concerned, who was eliminated right then and there. The mother was taken to the hospital to Amritsar, but she succumbed to the injuries. The police is actively investigating the case.
Right.
Remember, the gangs operating and the gangster terror network is something which is a very, very concerning issue as far as Punjab police as well as intelligence agencies are concerned.